Hello, welcome to this video. As you can see, I've got a Beko, the XL9. Yeah, stripping it down. Start off with the lid, because I've already unscrewed that. But yeah, we're stripping this down to the shell because I'm getting rid of this. Because it's alright, but it's a bit boring now. I've been redoing this. Got blues in there, just some dishcloth in there, and then I've got 2 items on a quick washer's refresh with my normal clothes, and we will need this. So, and we need something else. My drill, wherever it is, I've got 2. Both are the same. Might be in that toolbox. Then, but this is my. I mean, yeah, it's the best at the minute, but this is my workshop. That's rinsing now. That's on final spin, so I'll stop the video briefly in a minute. Took that one, but I think I've got another one in my toolbox. This is my appliance toolbox. I've got everything in there today because I don't need it all every time. No, it's not in there. Where is it? Oh, it's down here. We've got 3 minutes left and it's on rinse. That's going on final spin. Hold on. When that beeps, that's when I'll come back in here to start the next wash. As you can see, both are the same. So, anyways, yeah, we're stripping this down. Oh, that helps. Look at the little Bosch that I've got in there. Oh, it's amazing. Well, I hope I have the wrong one. Right one in it. And there's a bit of junk in there at the minute. A lot of used parts. Need to give it a clean out already. Don't even know it that long, but oh well. This is. I wasn't going to be doing this video today, but I thought I was very debating. Yeah, that's still too big. I was very on the debatable side of, do I do this or not? And I thought, well, I looked for a new front panel, and I sanded it down here, and I thought, oh, I could sand it down and spray paint. That's all not too bad. It's there, and all that. And then you got all that, and then you'll see inside of it. Right, I'm keeping all the screws because I've got a Beko I need to go and repair this next week. WMB, and some parts I'm going to use off this just to save some money for the customer. Right, fucking cobwebs. Like the PCB, everything I'm going to keep because I don't want to get rid of everything. I'll probably take the heater out of the tub just so we can see what it's like. Oh, that's yeah, 'cause I've got two Don't ask about this because I ran out of 40 mil and I haven't brought any yet. This is where the ones from, this is where the bush drains, which just comes from the kitchen sink. 40 mil, there's a clean out there. Drop down into Bodgery 32. It works. And then there's that, which is from the other ones. And then there's, that's taped off, I'm not using it yet. I'm gonna get a standpipe for that. There's a standpipe there for the hot point. I'm probably gonna put a T there and put 2 standpipes in. And this is all, I've just redone all this earlier because it was a mess. Right, I'm back in a minute. There we go. Next wash on. That's just finished, so we've got that at 1400. Turn it on the line. That's nice and hot. Where's my temp gun? Ugh. I had it earlier. I see, I don't know where my temp gun's gone. This is falling over. I know this is not even part of the video, but now I'm intrigued to where my temp gun's gone. Right. It's not in there. It's not in there. It's not fallen off, has it? No. Not in my bag of goodies. I don't know where it's gone. I love that. No, it was showing wrong. I'm going to stick that on, get that on the line, and then we'll get back out there. Right, I'm back. It's all sorted. I know my tank gun, I just remembered. But anyway, here's a quick shot of the washing. That's in static heat. Or cool down. I don't pull off, but okay. Pretty hot that is. That and there's a need to do proper temps. Anyway. Right. Temp gun's here, I know where it is. But I'll took the other screwdriver back in the thing, it doesn't matter. That was on the back of my neck. I don't remember how these connectors come off now. It comes off in some weird fashion. Right. Take a picture of that for a future. Try this board. I think the board could be water damaged. So that's how that one comes out. A little tab in there. There we go. I'll put it down for a second. I'll just pull these out because I need two ends. These are the main connectors, so they're much more thicker. Okay, the whole thing just came off the board instead on that one. There we go. Put that back on the board where it lives. And then there we go. That's the PCB. I could sell all this on Marketplace, but no point because, well, on eBay, but nobody's going to want it. I get the dispenser hose out to draw out. Installed that one in 2022. Video's still on my channel, I believe. Gonna find it. Go on the playlist for this washing machine. Obviously, do some videos from of the date this has been filmed on. Done a couple of washes. Did a jumping video for the people who like that. Because, you know, did it actually catch the glass more by any chance? Yeah, it did. There you can see. Just get that off. There you go, and it's fairly new, and that's literally brand new still, so that's all good. I'll leave that on the tub for now, but I've got to go and sort this out again. More washing. Right, back in a minute. Alright, I'm back. Let's put the phone back on charge. We've got myself a refreshing drink. That's still just sat there. That's washing lovely. I'm happy with all that. No, no, I'll easily get another 2 machines in there now. But I mean, yeah, I could have kept that and just got one more, but you know. Right. Put the pressure switch out. Bloody hell. There we go. Took my finger on the process, but oh well. That happens. Where's the little tab? Oh, it's a lift up tab, I forgot. And there's no, because there's no thing, there you go. Good pressure switch. That's what goes down to the bottom of the tub. Is it on a stupid bloody... I have a way of doing it. It's about just getting the grip. There we go. Oh, it's come back in. Alright. That's that, and then there's that there. I'll sort that all out in a minute. Hit the solenoids out. It's nice to see these ones with a three-way one. Even older Bekos are usually just two-way. Right, most tiniest screw possible holding that in. Let's see if this will work though. I don't know why it's such a tight screw. And then for this, which way is it? Come on, which way twist it now? The cables are bullying the way. Don't know what on earth they're doing out there. Hold on. It could have been in that long, it doesn't want to budge. There we go. Solenoid set. Just a big rocket going past. I don't know what it is. Oh, it's a leaf blower. Nice, right. Let's get this concrete weight off and out of the way. We'll use this ratchet because the one's right at the bottom. Can't get my thing out. Right, it's come off finally. Another leaf blower. What did he do for? Yeah, it's all bashed up on the side and all sorts. So conditioned concrete weight as well. A massive tub on these models. The same with my Beko at home. Massive tub. Let's go, mate. We need to like leave right here. Basically, I've had to do like 10 of these. I've got one. I might take the front weight off and take the front panel off. Don't know yet. But you can see why I'm not just bothered getting these for the panel, because the chance of getting that screw out are very slim. I mean, it's a lovely machine, but it's just not worth it. I may get another one in the future. I mean, this is a bit iconic one to the channel, but oh well. That is life. Things have to go sometimes. Use 2 hands to just There we go. Cool. It's weird because you can't get them to hit the door when you're just rocking them. Okay, maybe there. Anyway, let's stop messing about. Right. I think it's vibrating. It's really annoying. Right, you know what, I'll sort that out in a minute when I get this from get the door off first. Get the door seal off. Get one of these if you do wash machines. They'll save you a lot of things, and then even put it back on again. So take it off. Okay, on. Just in that. I'll probably keep the rating stickers. I'll keep the rating plate off the cabinet. Just for, you know what I can do? Flip the doorbell over. Love them doorbells. I don't know why, I always have loved them. This one's draining. Let's go and check. Oh, it was paused. Must have caught it. 27 minutes left. But yeah, it's coming along nicely. Right. Now let's get the front panel off. That's the next bit. Well, we get the door lock out as well first. There's a little screw here. I think the filter's still full of water. Yeah. It'll be full of dog hairs. Because I just know it is. I hate plastic kick plates. There's a sludge of water just came out because the blue thing just came off. Oh, white water. Right, all through that. Well, there is one meant to be one in the middle. Oh, there is. That's rounded off. Great. I mean, I can just get the multi-tool at it, but something's draining. I doubt it's going to come off, but also that one screw down there. Let's try a flathead. Right, I'll try 3 different heads. No. Hold on, let me just. No. 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 This has not gone well. Well, I thought it was going well. Let's just see if I can just pry it off. And I don't get it that far. Look. That's nice, isn't it? I can't put it up or anything. Oh, push it down just breaks it. This will just snap off eventually. Poor Beko. Save a screwdriver. There we go. And that's fine. I don't want water all over the grass because. Yeah. Right, we've got better access to everything now. My hands are wet, so I can't grip. I just snapped it off the lug, but oh well. I suppose we just leave the cable loom attached. It's not affecting out. Is that a three-way? Yeah, because it's got a mechanical and a normal one. Right. Yeah, it's got a connector on there. Oh. Right. Get this metal brace off at the front. It's actually a good brace compared to many other brands. Right. So the drummer is just there. Oh yeah, I got to undo the motor wire yet as well. I was just going to touch about then. Right, let's go around the back. I'll leave the motor on because it's inverter, so it'll be light. I'll put the motor off after that. We get this out. Just hold on for a second while I undo these. Outlet on there. Oh yeah, they're resurfacing the road and stuff. Forgot about that. Typically do it now when I'm filming. That hurt, kind of. Yeah, road, whatever they're doing, bloody stinks. Hold on. There's one of them tags on the motor. Look at that scratch, too small. There we go. Bloody council making a right mess of the road this time of day. Oh, another one of them. Yeah. Bloody things are everywhere. Right. That's that. Just gotta take the sump hose off. I'll leave the concrete wet as well. Soaked. Well, that's what's in the drum. Right. We do the concrete weight just so I don't put my back up there. Yeah, 'cause I don't fancy fucking my back up today. But you can see what I mean as well. I don't like it, it's my nan's old washing machine. I was looking at the road and the bolt fell out. Even that shot. This is not Beko's fault, it's just the condition it was left in with it leaking and not getting fixed. Right, that's that out. I should take the shocks out really. That'll make life easier. Right, I use the same arrangement as every other company. Now Rebecca